And welcome back, Dan Hobbyman. And now my board is the following day. So now it's time to have his board pulled apart or the braces taken off as well as the clamps. And after that, have to clean it up with the ankle grinder with the sander attachment. So first, braces, since they're screwed in there, I want to pull those out first. Then after that, it's the clamps. Yep. So, yeah. Boom. There's one. Second one. Yeah. The braces are off, and now it's time to get the clamps off. Ain't too bad. Ain't too bad at all. Let's get you guys from up here to down here. We'll look at it and inspect it. Alright. So now we got the glue seams here. There's a small gap in there, which isn't the greatest thing, is having gaps are not good. But oh well. Alright. This one here looks pretty good. Up and through on this side. Oh, yeah. See a couple. Well, that's still a little tacky. Let's bowed a little bit. Not too bad. And then on this side, there's a seam here, which is not the greatest thing in the world. Did it bow some? It did, but it's not too bad. It's not a terrible bow. And you can see it's a slight arch how it comes like this and comes up like that. There's a little bit of a bow, but it's not as bad as it could have been. Yeah, it's not too bad. So on this seam here, looks really good on this side. It's a little thin right there, and then it gets really empty right here, which isn't the greatest. It's not good having those spaces like that. That side looks good. Flip it over again so I can see the reverse side of this. Seam looks good. Then you got that little bit of gap and a couple gaps there. And this side seam here looks really good. So once again, all of this is on top of here. It's going to be the lid for this. Okay. So step number 2 is to smooth it out with my angle grinder. With this guy here and that attachment. Okay. And it's going to be fast. Oh, if you're using one of these things, right? Dust is going to be in the air, so use one of those, okay? All right, so it's extra dusty in here. Garage door needs to be opened. Yeah, I need to open the garage door. Man, ventilation is needed. So there. Probably should have opened it before it started. But yeah, lesson learned. It's like a cloud of smoke leaving the garage right now. But dust mask is needed. And ventilation. Yeah, I need to go breathe outside. Alright. So, everything turned out good. Doing a hobby, man. If you have a hobby, enjoy what you do. Relax while you're doing it. And always have fun.